Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the imaging and data workflow so recognition will work reliably. First, position a stable camera at eye level and confirm 720p or higher at 30 fps. This ensures crisp features. Then, enroll each person with 5 to 15 varied photos, turn, smile, neutral, different lighting, so the model generalizes. Make sure you capture metadata and unique ID and document consent and storage limits. Once done, you'll move to preprocessing and model selection to turn those images into usable templates. Next, preprocess and train so matching is both fast and accurate. Use landmark detection to align eyes and nose, then crop to a consistent size like 112 x 112 for the network. Apply augmentations, brightness shifts, small rotations, horizontal flips to increase robustness. Do this during training. Choose your architecture based on deployment, a lightweight model for edge devices, a deeper model for servers. Finally, set verification thresholds and class priors. These balance false accepts versus false rejects, and you'll tune them with validate. Finally, deploy and operate the system with security and feedback loops in place. Serve embeddings through encrypted channels, store templates with encryption at rest, and perform real-time matching using cosine or Euclidean distance. Monitor performance metrics and score distributions for drift. Schedule retraining based on error rates. If something goes wrong, inspect lighting, camera alignment, and enrollment quality first. Then review matching thresholds and dataset bias. Make sure to log failures and update models or re-enroll users as part of your maintenance cycle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.